Welcome to lesson number 6, introduction. What is your name? What is your name? Shalshududi. What is your name? Shalshududi. My name is Shalshuda. My name is Shalshuda. Nice to meet you. Chagwanu Shanjik. Chagwanu Shanjik. Again. What is your name? Shalshududi. What is your name? Shalshududi. My name is Shalshuda. Nice to meet you. Chagwanu Shanjik. Follow for more. Welcome. The meaning of man is wood in your language. Man, wood. Woman, shik. Child, gut. People, not. People, not. Man is wood. Woman is chick. Child is gut. People are not. People is not. Again, one more time. Man is wood. Woman is chick. Child is gut. People is not. Follow for more. The meaning of father is gwar. Gwar in Thok Nath. The meaning of mother is mar. Mar. The meaning of brother is damar. Damar. The meaning of sister is nyamar. Nyamar. Sister means nyamar. Nyamar. The meaning of father is gwar. The meaning of mother is mar. The meaning of brother is damar. The meaning of sister is nyamar. Follow for more. Today we are going to learn greetings. Warangich mal. Hello is male. Hello, male. How are you? Male. How are you, male? I am fine. Ngwaha. Thank you. Chiloda test. Thank you. Chiloda test. Hello is male. How are you? How are you is male. I am fine. I am fine. Ngwaha. Thank you. Thank you. Chiloda test. Chiloda test. Welcome. Today we are going to learn 10 English words in Nuer. Water, pew. Water, pew. Dog, joke. Dog, joke. Sun, sun. Cheng, sun, cheng. Friend, friend. Math, math. Book, book, book. Fire, fire. March, fire, march. Rain, rain. Nial, nial, rain, nial. An, tet, tet. Market, market. Guas, koka, kwakni. Guas, koka, kwakni, market. Teacher, teacher. Niche, teacher, niche. Again. The meaning of water in Thok Nath or Nuer language is pew, pew. Water mean pew. Water is pew. The meaning of dog, dog is joke. Joke, dog, joke. The meaning of sun, sun is cheng, cheng. The meaning of friend, friend is math, math. The meaning of book, book is book in Thok Nath. The meaning of fire, fire is march, march. The meaning of rain, rain is nial, nial. Rain is nial. The meaning of an is tet, tet. The meaning of market, market. Guat, koka kwakni, guat, koka kwakni. The meaning of teacher, teacher is ngich, ngich. Please follow for more.